USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start this video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. That's free, okay? And then you have some links. It says trade like institutions and positional traders. So if you want to know when the institutional money is coming, because understand one thing, that institutions do not trade every day like you, maybe like me, maybe like others. Institutions only put in their money when they want to move the market, exit, move the market, then take the profits and hit your stop losses, okay? So if you want to trade like them, then check out the first link below and it will give you 300 pips in one trade setups. Okay, all right, don't believe me? Your luck, good luck, try your luck. Consultation, you can talk to me, you can book consultation and you can get the brokers here. Free Telegram, you can always join. Okay, coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA. Daily, we are above the EMA. 4 hour, we are above the EMA. Look for longs after each pullback. That's it, okay? But if you exactly want to know when to enter, how long to hold, did I miss the entry, what's my stop loss, join the first link and trade like institutions. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.